Hi, how are you doing? Can I watch with you? Yeah, of course, sweetie. You could just sit down. Okay. Right now, I'm going to change the news because I want to see the weather. Okay. In New Brooklyn, there has been a snowstorm, and it's coming to Maple Avenue, so I consider y'all to stay safe. That's all we have for now. Okay, that was pretty short, but Kayla's in school, right? Yeah. Kayla is literally in school. We have to grab her. We have to grab her. You have to grab her. And oh my god, if you get there late and the storm has already started, oh my god, you're cooked, I'm cooked, and Kayla's cooked. So give him the baby, put a warm outfit on, and just go grab her and come straight back. Okay, jeez. Go! You don't have all day. Oh my god, I know the graphic of the football team is crazy. I know, right? Look, you're so chunky. Yeah, you have still a brain rot, yo. Do you want to lower your voices, please? Just be quiet, guys, because now we're waiting for you guys to get picked up. And if you guys are talking, that will make everything worse. Oh my god, girl, just come back here. Don't go with the girls. True, whatever. Guys, don't be circled up. Spread out for everybody to have space. Oh my god, it's like you're kindergartners. You're literally in high school. Ugh, what's your problem, kids nowadays? Ugh, I just want to get picked up. Everybody spread out. Just spread out. Spread out. That's crazy. No way, that's crazy. The popular boy. I don't get why they're so crazy about it. What do you mean so crazy about it? Oh my god, this is so slay girly. We gotta post that on Instagram. Oh my god, and do you like her? No. What do you mean? This is just crazy. No, I'm just gonna sit here and mind my own business. What do you mean, my dear? Business. Yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet and I'm gonna wait till I get picked up. Kayla, you're getting picked up. You're getting picked up by your parents. Oh, okay. Bye. Bye, girlie. Bye. Damn. Oh my god, it's so cold outside. You didn't bring a sweatshirt? No, in the morning it was fine. But you still have to bring one. Oh, sorry. Okay, just wear my hat then. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Come in. Dad, when are you gonna decorate the front porch? I don't know, okay? That doesn't matter right now because there's gonna be a snowstorm. I bet it's not even that bad. Well, maybe it is. We don't know. Hey, Mom. Hey, guys. You got dressed? Yeah. Well, the lights turned off. Oh my god, I felt like it's just starting. It's not turning on. It aren't turning on. It turns for a second and then it literally turns off. Oh my god. I'm cold. Okay, then we'll get a blanket. We don't need the heaters. It's okay. It's okay. Let's just go to the basement. That's the safest place for us to go. It's nasty there, but whatever. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'll give this a little cleanup, and you guys could get some blankets, some pillows, and some food. because I'm gonna be cleaning this, sweeping the floors, and then we'll put a little furniture so that we could stay here. Okay, let me hold the babies. Thank you. Okay, we've got all the stuff. I got some 2 mattresses, and then this for the babies to sleep. Okay, I got some food. Okay, nice. I put some fruits also in this freezer box thing. And then we have some more mattresses in case we need it. Nice. And the TV is kind of working. But it's weird that the heater was not, but that's okay. Because we got some blankets. Yeah. It's already boring in here. Kayla, stop complaining. Let me just put you to bed, and I guess we'll just stay here. There's nothing to do. Do we have any board games at least? They are downstairs, but I don't think the elevator's working right now. Ugh, are you kidding me? We might have to call them, like, I don't think you should be opening that. I was talking, and you just popped that open. Well, yeah. I didn't even see it come out. Honey, you're gonna get a jump scare. Oh my god. Yeah, I told you, but anyways, like, when the storm's over, we have to call somebody to open the elevator for us and fix it. And we could only call them when the storm is over, because everyone has to be safe. Are you joking right now? No, I'm not joking. No, we just have to wait. This is gonna be a long day. Oh my god. She's already crying and hasn't even been half an hour. It's okay, it's okay. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, so I'm just gonna put you down so I could feed you some baby food. Because the strollers are downstairs and you can't get it right now. Right there, and Mom can just make her stop crying like I'm trying to sleep. Honey, she already stopped crying. It's okay. I know, but I want to go to bed. And you keep saying, it's okay. Okay, Tweety, just don't be rude. I'm stressed out already about this. Well, so am I. Dad. Okay, let me just get you, sweetie. Mom, I think she's hot wearing that on. Okay, so let's just put that in there. I cleaned it. The TV's not working anymore. That sucks. Okay, the last rest. And there you go. The only thing I could do is make an animation in my head. Sleep or eat. Yeah, but you're not eating all of that right now because we barely ate. You're not just gonna eat a bunch of food at one time. Okay, so I'm gonna put the babies to bed and good night, okay? Let me just... Oh my god, the house is shaking. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Okay, it kind of stopped, but okay. It's okay, guys, okay? It's okay. I'm gonna hold the babies and I'm gonna make everybody safe. I don't know how that's gonna happen. Well, I'm the man of the house, but anyways, I'm hungry. I'm in the middle of the house, but okay. Can you feed baby food to Leo if he's hungry? If that is, I'm not sure if okay, so some fruits. Did you pack peelers? Yeah, we did. I want a peach. There you go. Are you gonna have something salty though? Well, no. I think you might need something salty, sweetie. I'll just get the shrimps. Okay. Can I get the peelers, please? Oh my god, I'm so excited to try the banana flavor. I've never tried it before. We'll clean that mess tomorrow. Sure. Because right now I'm tired. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put this right here. And yeah. Okay, the TV's kind of working right now. Let me just fix it. Oh, never mind. I don't think it's working. I'm feeding her again because she's angry at me. Who? Well, Alice is angry at me because I won't feed her again. Okay, this pizza is actually one of the best flavors, but when you open it, it kind of looks like a lemon. I think it's actually pretty good. But Mom, I'm kind of scared. I'm just gonna get these stuff and lay down, okay? The pillows. Good night. Okay. It's already daytime. Well, I don't know what to do. Good morning, Dad. Oh, you're already up? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. I think we should call the person to open the elevator. Good morning, Mom. Okay, so, but I don't know what service to call. It's okay, honey, I'll call them, okay? Okay, let me see. Hello? So I need this service to come to my house to open my elevator from the thunderstorm last night. So if you could please come right now. I'm gonna send you the address. Okay. Beep. Are they coming? Yeah. Oh my god, it came out finally. Logan, what are you doing here? Oh, I got this job yesterday. Yesterday in the thunderstorm. Well, yeah. How old are you? I think he's 15 because I'm 14 and he's a bit older than me. Oh, okay. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna open it. Do you want me or not? Sure. There you go. You could just fix it, I guess. And I'll be there if you need any help with something else instead of fixing the elevator. Okay, let me just do this. And twist this. And then get the key to open it. And there we go. It opens. I'm done with my service, and you don't have to give me money, like money. You could just send me in the bank account, okay? So bye. Okay, that was weird. Yes, it was. So I'm glad that we're safe. That's good.